Vu GloLED 126 cm, 50-inch, Ultra HD, 4K, LED Smart Google TV. Unmatched brightness. This Vu GloLED TV drastically improves color reproduction and boosts brightness by up to 60% while using less energy since it uses inorganic nanoscale elements. Furthermore, the Vu GloLED TV panel's outstanding 94% color gamut enables you to view content in a vibrant, colorful environment. Powerful processor. The Vu GloLED TV panel and Vu Glo AI processor work together to recreate the complete color palette and upscale OTT video using sophisticated AI. The Vu Glo AI processor also includes an outstanding quad-core processor and a dual-core GPU to execute apps smoothly. For a flawless user experience, the Vu GloLED TV also has 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal storage. Brilliant Google TV. The enhanced Google TV interface allows you to easily explore content across all of your installed apps. Additionally, movies and television programs are skillfully arranged according to your tastes. Moreover, you can quickly search for material or add it to your watchlist using your phone. Built-in subwoofer. The inbuilt DJ class subwoofer on the Vu GloLED TV is particularly developed to fit inside the compact frame of the Vu GloLED TV and not vibrate or crackle even when the volume is set to 100%. This subwoofer also amplifies bottom frequencies and creates a surround sound experience, allowing you to groove into the content and get into the mood of the scenes playing on the TV. Elevated audio. With 4 speakers, 1 subwoofer, and a combined 104 watts of sound output incorporated into the Vu GloLED TV, you can enjoy high-quality audio without the need for an additional audio device. With psychoacoustic processing, the Vu DJ music system places the audio all around you to offer an engaging surround experience. Hands-free experience. A hands-free far-field microphone on the Vu GloLED TV enables speech search and voice control without requiring you to hold the device near your mouth while communicating. Enhanced cricket mode. By utilizing AI algorithms that are a component of the Glo AI processor, the Vu GloLED TV has strengthened its cricket mode to make ball perception significantly better. To create a stadium-like appearance, the Glo AI processor also dynamically alters images and music. The Dolby Atmos virtualization on the Vu GloLED TV further boosts cricket commentary instead of ambient stadium noise. Unparalleled visuals. This TV's cinema mode lets you view content exactly as the cinematographer intended it to be seen without the use of any filters or other picture enhancement techniques. Additionally, you can access Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hotstar, and YouTube by just pressing a hotkey on the remote, allowing you to seamlessly dictate your entertainment options. Ambient light sensor. An ambient light sensor on the Vu GloLED TV constantly modifies the display to match the content and ambient light. As a result, whether you are watching TV in a bright or dark room, the ambient light sensor dynamically changes the picture to match the lighting in the room. Slender design. With its dazzling, sleek form and frameless construction, the Vu GloLED TV gives your house a classy, stylish appearance while optimizing the viewing area. For more information, description link. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.